The Acctim Alta alarm clock from Aspen of Hereford Limited. A perfect sized alarm clock for your bedside table. Despite its small size, it has a really easy to read screen and a very effective night light that won't light up your whole room, so it won't disturb anyone else. It's angled to make the screen easy to see, and its lovely boxy shape makes it really stable, especially for touching the snooze button for those precious extra 5 minutes. It's really easy to set and has 2 alarms that can be set just in case you sleep through the first one. It has a crescendo alarm, the display shows the time in either 12 or 24-hour clock, the date, the month and the day of the week. It also shows the room temperature in centigrade or Fahrenheit. The clock measures 5.9 centimetres tall, 10 centimetres wide, 4.8 centimetres deep, and it takes 2 AA batteries.